Most students think they are broke because of school fees, feeding, including me. But that's not the case. I realized most of my habits, and that realization changed how I think about money. If you are a student and you feel stuck financially, that is a little bit hurt. It hurt a little. So I'm going to show you how I realize what makes me broke as a student in this video. Watch till the end. As a student, you may have some bad habits which is affecting your financial, but you won't realize if you doesn't take note. And what I'm talking about is some of the students, including me, are addicted to some habits that take money from them, which we don't realize, especially betting. And most of the students try forex trading, which is not working. And we have a lot of other things which we are addicted to. Some too are addicted to pornographic activities, which sometimes distract your focus, your confidence, even your discipline. So what makes you broke, including what I mentioned in this, what I'm saying right now, is betting. It takes away the money which you use to do something good for, or something meaningful for yourself. Again, you spend without tracking your expenses. Let me show you one thing. If you overspend according to your budget, you don't track what you buy, you don't plan what you eat according to your money, it's also going to affect the way you spend. It's also going to affect you financially, so you are going to be broke automatically. And another thing is, most students, most including me, we are addicted to gambling. Why? Because we think the little money we have cannot survive us, cannot take us through the semester, or cannot take us through. So we want to double the money, So we use the money which we're supposed to use to do our own things around what we are here for, or what we are in school for. Buying books, paying school fees, buying foods, and other stuff which you will use. Yes, I think we don't really focus there, but we use the money for gambling, which is something that literally go against what we do. Our finance. Again, most of us really don't like learning about money. We don't have any money background. We don't have anything concerning. What we know is just have the money, buy things. We don't have any education about finance, how money works, how we're supposed to be spending our money, and other things. All these things make students broke. And the last one I will talk in this video is, we the students, we don't learn skills that will pay us. What I mean is, as a student which who is in uni doing something, what you learn will make you money. Learn skills that will make you money as a student. Example, like if you learn graphic design, it is going to pay you, or depending on the course you are doing, you can realize you can do something about what you are reading, about the program you are reading. You can do something for people to pay you without even completing the school. So if you are in school and you feel stuck, you feel broke, find a way, find things that you can do and make money from it within your surrounding, within your school where you found yourself. Find something that you think you can do so that people will pay you. And I think it's going to help your financial, help boost you, and at the same time you learn, you earn. And again, what I think is the most problem for students is the way we are indisciplined and pressure. The pressure people give. Maybe I see my friend wearing nice sneakers, wearing nice shirts. I think I must also force and use all my money to buy clothes or something that will make people think I look healthy or rich, which I don't, which normally I'm not rich. But what makes me do all this is because of the peer pressure. I think so. It's because of the peer pressure. So what I'm going to show you in this video is that if you want to be free and free financially, you don't want to be broke, please track your spending, be disciplined to whatever you think. Please budget what you want to use your money for. Budget everything. Please spend according to your money. Okay, learn skills that will pay you. No matter the program you are offering, learn skills. You can do something and it will pay you. Please, if you find this video meaningful, useful, educative, make sure you hit the subscribe button, you like the video, and you share so that your colleagues out there will get a video and benefit from it. Thank you. See you in my next video.